spot. Nigga step on my finger. I climb right back to the top. I'm big, I'm cute, I'm not gonna pop. This ain't shit, just a morning till my album drop.
I just give the fans them a treat. Them know sometimes come see Junior is a movie. It's not just and it's like a school. It's like fun and joy. Everything is like when it comes to Junior, it's everything. My performance give them everything what they could desire, you know.
Come chat with me.